back from Sokoto was to call for a revolt on the grounds that her husband's corpse be exhumed by the police for proper investigation. After all, she's educated. She shouldn't have just kept quiet in that type of death, just for her to suddenly wake up seeking for justice.
I see your point, Barrister, but I also think that, these people systematically, got her into traveling far away so that they can carry out this wicked plot. That's what I think.
Well, Prof, I will study your complaints at my leisure time. Additionally, I would like to have a chat with the plaintiff so that I'll know the next step to take.
True. I'll arrange that. Thank you so much, Barrister. Thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.